In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how phrasal verbs are used in everyday English communication. When we talk about phrasal verbs, we're talking about a verb plus a preposition or adverb particle. And what makes them confusing for learners like yourself is that the added particle will change the meaning of the verb. This week, I've been out and about looking for phrasal verbs just for you. Let's get started. This first photo is a locker located in a shopping mall. You can see it's an Amazon locker, and Amazon is an online marketplace. And this locker is a place where your Amazon orders are delivered and stored safely until you come and get them. Can you see the phrasal verb? It says, order at Amazon, pick up here. The phrasal verb is pick up, and in this case, pick up means to collect. It means you can collect your Amazon order at the locker. You might also use pick up in sentences like, can you pick up some milk from the supermarket? Which is asking if that person can collect some milk while they're shopping at the supermarket. I'll come pick you up at 8 means I'll come in my car and collect you from your house because we will be going somewhere together. That is pick up. This next photo is a poster of a local cafe. There are a few restaurant-related phrasal verbs on here, but the sentence I want you to look at is written in pink. Can you see the phrasal verb? It says, come check out our brunch menu. Now, brunch is the time between breakfast and lunch, and you may or may not have that mealtime in your country. But anyway, the phrasal verb is check out, and in this case, it's asking you to go read the menu to see what it's like. There may be something interesting you'd like to order. If you want to know more about idioms, for example, I can say to you, hey, check out my last video on YouTube, which means go watch that video because you might like it. Let's go check out that new gym means let's go and see what's interesting about the gym, and that is check out. The third photo here is a poster outside a very popular health and beauty shop here in Australia. And they sell lots of cosmetics, skin creams, beauty products, perfumes, that kind of thing. Can you see the phrasal verb? It says, looking for beautiful advice. The phrasal verb is looking for, and in this case, looking for means searching or seeking. If you are looking for something, the action is searching. So this poster is asking you if you are searching for advice to help you look and feel beautiful. Let's say you need a black shirt for work. So you go to the store. You can tell the assistant that you are looking for a black shirt. This photo was taken out the front of a very popular discount store here in Australia, and the sign is about the benefits of being a VIP shop member. Can you see the phrasal verb in use? It's in the first row. In this case, sign up means to join. So if you join the special club, it's telling you you'll receive a special sign up voucher to spend in the shop. There are also other special gifts you can receive if you sign up to this club. If you sign up for something, you are agreeing to participate in the activity or the group. We were talking about gyms earlier. Have you ever signed up to a gym? This last photo was taken at a strawberry farm. I want you to look closely at number 2. It says, head into the strawberry patch and pick to your heart's delight. If you do something to your heart's delight, it means you can do that activity for as long as you please. But let's get back to the phrasal verb. Can you see it? It's head into. And in this case, head into means go in. So head into the strawberry patch means go in the strawberry patch, and you can pick as many strawberries as you want to your heart's delight. There are a couple of other places on this sign where the word head is used. Remember, it means go, and the adverb attached to it tells you how or where. The second phrasal verb is head straight to. So if you are paying by card, you go directly to the red flag. And if you pay by cash, you need to head inside, which means go inside the farm shop to pay. If you are making plans to go somewhere with a friend, you can say, shall we head into the city about 6? Before you head off, if you are looking for more everyday English content, be sure to check out this video where you can pick up some ideas for speaking natural English. Don't forget to sign up to this channel so you'll never miss my new videos. Did you see what I did there? I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.